Hi friends! Today my book is called Fly Monarch Fly. It's written and illustrated by Nancy Elizabeth Wallace. My book is a little longer today, so get comfy. And I am going to ask 3 questions during my book, so you can answer them, okay? One blue sky in late summer, Mom and Dad asked, who wants to go visit the butterfly place? To visit the monarchs. Me, said Mina. Me, shouted Pip. They rode their bikes to Butterfly Place. The summer air smelled flower sweet. The late summer sun warmed them. Butterfly Place where monarchs reign. They were greeted by the butterfly man. Hello, I'm Bert. Welcome to Butterfly Place in the milkweed meadow. Hi, Bert, said Mina and Pip. It's a great day for an egg hunt, said Bert. An egg hunt, said Mina. Yes, let's go look for butterfly eggs, said Bert. He handed them magnifying glasses. You'll need these because the female monarch eggs aren't much bigger than the head of a pin. Mina started singing, a-hunting we will go, a-hunting we will go. Okay, my first question is, why do you think they need the magnifying glass? What did he say about the eggs? Look, Mama, I'm an egg, shouted Pip. See if you can find the tiny egg on the underside of these milkweed leaves, said Bert. They lifted and looked. I found one, said Mina. It looks like a tiny igloo. It does. The female butterfly looks for healthy, tender milkweed plants, and she lays 1 egg at a time. Guess how many eggs she lays all together? I know, said Mina. More than 400. I read that in my new butterfly book. Bert took a picture out of his big blue bag. When the egg is ready to hatch, a teeny tiny caterpillar nibbles a hole in the eggshell and wiggles out. The eggshell is the teeny tiny caterpillar's first meal. Ew, said Mina. Sounds crunchy, said Dad. Bert took the ruler with the pictures on it out of his big blue bag. The teeny tiny caterpillar munches on milkweed all day and night. And when it's very strong jaws, it grows bigger and bigger and bigger. Big, bigger, bigger. Do you remember when I asked you to measure something small, medium, and big? This is something small, medium, and big. That was question 2. Mina read, milkweed leaves provide food and protection. Milkweed has poisons in it, but they do not hurt the caterpillar. If another animal or bird tries to eat the caterpillar, the poisons will make it taste terrible. And the caterpillar's yellow and white black pattern tells predators to stay away. Look, said Pip. Now I'm a caterpillar, and I'm a bird who wants to eat you up, said Dad. Stay away, bird! Stay away, Pip giggled. I found a caterpillar, said Mina. It's yellow, black, and white. Do you see the long black antenna or feelers on its head or the short antenna on the back? Yes, said Mina. Near the head, do you see 3 pairs of true legs they walk with? 1, 2, 3, Mina counted. I see more legs in back. They're stubbly. Those are claspers. The caterpillar uses them to grip the leaves. Cool, said Mina. Bert looked in his big blue bag. Who wants to molt? Me, said Mina. Do you see how these 3? Those are his walking legs, and these are the ones that help them stay on the leaves. Here's the antenna on his head, and these are feelers. Here, let's try this costume on, said Bert. Now you're a caterpillar, Mina said. A caterpillar eats and grows, said Bert, but the skin doesn't. When the caterpillar grows too big for its outer skin, tight skin splits open. The caterpillar wiggles and wiggles out. Underneath, there is a new, larger skin. Shedding skin is called molting. Usually, they molt 4 times. Then what happens? asked Mina. Bert reached into his big blue bag. He pulled out a stuffed animal caterpillar. The fully grown caterpillar finds a safe place under a twig or a leaf. Then he spins a silk pad using his special gland in his mouth. The caterpillar digs tiny holes in the rear and swings its head down. See if you can get its hooks in the white pad on this twig. He did it, yelled Mina and Pip. Bert took another picture out of his bag. The caterpillar sheds its skin for the last time. What happens next, Bert? Asked Dad. Follow me, said Bert. It's not a caterpillar anymore. It's a chrysalis, or you can call it a pupa or cocoon. I see a pippa, said Mina. And a tent. Let's go look. Underneath the tent was a long table. On the table were 3 glass aquariums with nets on top. Mina peered inside the first aquarium. I see something that looks beautiful, like a green jewel, said Mina. That's the pupa. Amazing changes are happening inside. Do you remember when our caterpillars were in there? Mina looked at the second aquarium. Wow, I see wings. When she looked in the third aquarium, Mina shouted, a butterfly! The butterfly works very hard to wiggle out, then pumps blood to its damp, crumpled wings as they unfold. What happens next, Bert? Asked Pip. The butterfly rests in the sun for a few hours so his wing will dry and harden. It's very important not to touch the butterfly in this very important stage until they are completely hardened. Let's go out to the butterfly garden. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Look out for Big Sweetie. Big Sweetie? Said Mina and Pip. Is this Big Sweetie? Asked Mina. No, you're getting closer. Remember the stages? Mom and Dad called, Mina, Pip, come over here. Mina stood very still. She whispered, the butterfly is drinking nectar. Sweet flower juice. I read that in my butterfly book. It's like a built-in drinking straw, right here. The butterfly drinks nectar with its proboscis. They watched. The proboscis curls up when the butterfly isn't drinking. Look here, like this. That's what it looks like. It goes in and blows out. Can I keep the party blower? You sure can, said Bert. Let's keep strolling. What is on the flower that the butterfly eats? That's my last question. Do you remember what it's called? Look, Big Sweetie. Dad read another sign. A butterfly's compound eyes are made of lots of little eyes. Butterflies can see more colors than any other creature on earth. A butterfly smells with its feelers and tastes with its feet. Mina and Pip put on wings. When the colder fall weather arrives, millions of monarchs fly south to Mexico or Southern California. They spend the winter there where it's warmer. The journey is called migration. Monarchs migrate thousands of miles. Can you believe that? That a butterfly can go that far? That's a long way for a butterfly to go, said Mina. How do monarchs know how to get there? Bert? They use the wind to help them, and their antenna help them know how strong the wind is blowing and in what direction it's coming from. Monarchs migrate farther than any other butterfly. Mina and Pip gave back the wings. Oh, one more thing, said Bert. What if my last name was Fly? Mina thought for a minute. Then your name would be Bert Fly. And they all laughed. We had a great time. Thank you, Bert. Bert said, hope to see you again soon. The end.